Hello, my name is Paul Mack. I am the principal instructor at the Shaolin Kung Fu Institute, Flemington, located in Flemington, New Jersey. My Kung Fu title is Shifu, which means teacher. So I am called Shifu Mack, or Shifu Paul. Today I'm going to instruct you in the form of Qigong. It's a practice, it's a breathing practice, and it's also a stance practice, meaning we'll be doing some standing meditation. You'll be thinking, focusing on one thing as you breathe, and then you'll be going through a series of postures where you'll be in different stances. These postures and stances are known to help increase your bone density, strengthen your muscles in your core and your legs, and lower your stress, blood pressure, tension levels. So it's a really cool practice. It's good for you. It's good for anybody of any age, and it's easy. You don't need any special equipment for it. So let's begin. Qigong is energy work. Qi is energy. So we'll be doing some breathing first. To begin, we're going to take a nice big inhale through our nose, fill our bellies first, so your belly should expand. You're not going to push your belly, you're going to let your belly relax. Then you're going to fill your belly with air, fill the bottom of your lungs, all the way into your lungs are filled at the top, and then you exhale through your mouth. You can hiss, you can simply exhale, but you want to exhale all that air out, flattening your lungs, and pull your belly button in towards your spine, really pushing your diaphragm up, flattening your lungs. Let's try it. Ready? First, nice big exhale. And then inhale from the nose. Exhale from the mouth. Now, I'm going to stand at a profile so you can watch my belly as it fills and empties. So, first, inhale from the nose. Exhale from the mouth. Great. Okay, a few basics before we get started. We'll just do 5 of those with the breathing, and then I'll show you the hands. You want to stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. So your feet should be the same width or wideness as your shoulders. Relax all your muscles. Do not lock your knees if you're standing. You can do this seated as well. Keep your knees slightly bent, and then relax everything. Glutes, thighs, calves, everything. Just let your hands dangle at your sides. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest muscles, your neck, everything. All right, you ready? We'll do 5 sequences of this. Inhale, exhale. You ready? First, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Pull that belly button in towards your spine. That's 1. 2, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. 3, inhale through the nose. 4, inhale through the nose. 5, inhale through the nose. 'Pull that belly button in towards your spine.